if the situation is this dire, how come the people of England, not just London, the entire people of England, why did they choose Labour government?
Labour government, why? Because I say Labour government was not very brilliant. There was no other option. Conservative government, they failed on many things in their tenure. COVID came, and inflation goes up, and they lost their livelihood, business. A lot of things happened, but Labour didn't win on their merit. Labour win because Conservative Party they done self goal. There's a match between Conservative Party and Labour Party, football match. The Labour Party, all players was useless. But what happened? Conservative, they keep on going on their own goal past. That's what happened. Nothing else.
And since Labour come, every day's crime is going up, 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 up.
Because
Because
before Labour came into power, they promises very people for other communities that we will do this for you if you give us a vote.
And they're doing.
And as soon as they came in power, the other communities are now with the power.
But in India also, we see a lot of videos in which some guy will take a knife and say, हमारी सरकार आने दो फिर बताते हैं. And then you ask किसकी सरकार? Then again जो भारत के लेबर पार्टी है,
हाँ
जो भारत के लेफ्ट लीनिंग लोग
हाँ
हैं,
जी.
उनका नाम लेता है फिर
हाँ
वो
जी.
कि हमारी सरकार में फिर बताते
तो
हैं.
वहाँ पे तो the same way the government by choice are came up in UK of certain communities. Because of that, they are fearless. They got no fear of law and order, and they are doing what they want to do, and no one is stopping them. Recently, during the riots, and riots were not done by this
तो आया
BBC.
कि
Yeah,
सबने आप
no. I'll tell you one thing. I was on demonstration. I was on went to Downing Street for a protest of the Southport killing, and there were many more white people over there. I tweeted in the morning that tonight I'm going to Downing Street for the protest, and from that, thousands of people, half of people came because of
us.
us. So
the
as soon
brown
as
people mainly.
white people, I thought,
अच्छा.
white youngsters from their universities, college, work, youngsters they came. बोलते, Harman, we came because you tweeted that I'm coming tonight.
छोटे छोटे 10 साल के बच्चे, 8 साल के बच्चे, they said thank you Harman. छोटे छोटे बच्चे, कोई बड़े बच्चे नहीं.
माँ बाप, people come with the family.
They come with family. अब ये कह रहे हैं कि ये राइड्स, ये रैलीज, ये सब मारपीट के लिए है. कौन मारपीट पे अपना 5 साल का 6 साल का बच्चा लेकर आएगा?
Families are going in protest.
दो गैंग भी सामने आ गए थे.
यार वो पता था.
पुलिस ऐसे देखो, हम वीडियो देखते हैं ना ऐसे.
वो दिखाते हैं आपको.
अच्छा.
I been to protest, and police was provoking our people who were there protesting peacefully. They were shouting that for how long this is going to happen, for how long people going to get killed. They were shouting, they were in anger.
गुस्सा है भैया, जिसके
Police
बच्चे
was
मरेंगे वो मरेगा.
provoking the people. के provoke करें, they do something wrong, and they will arrest them. I was the one too loud, but they did not arrest me. Why? Because I was proud. They want to show to the world.
I think you took advantage of that, huh?
BBC, Sky, ITV, all the mainstream media was there filming us. They filmed me, but they never showed me on the mainstream media. Why? Because they want to show.
कैसे दिखाएंगे कि one brown man is
how
a
come
patriot?
in far right rally, racist rally?
प्लस उनको ये भी दिखाना है कि लड़ाई गोरे और ब्राउन के बीच में, ना कि रिलीजन की है.
Yes.
Exactly.
गेम कुछ और है.
Yeah,
So they're
exactly.
showing the people over there. They are not was there against any certain community. They were against the system, the law and order.
वो बनाया जा रहा है एक सिस्टम.
वो दिखा रहे हैं
वो
आपको.
दिखा रहे हैं.
BBC is showing you कि ये गोरे they are racist. Now right now in India, many people are not sending their kids to UK. Why? Because they think that whites are beating browns. But this is wrong.
This is wrong.
गलत दिखा रहे हैं. It's not like that. It's other way around. If I show you video, I will send you links कि जो दूसरे लोग लेफ्ट विंग है वो क्या कर रही है. Left wing क्या कर रही है? They calling me Nazi. I've been to a rally. They call me Nazi.
Nazi.
For what? Because I want my country to be great again. For that reason, I've been called Nazi.
You would have said, "Saleh, we saved your ass from Nazis."